guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Noor for those of you who don't know me, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a current favorites. I'm going to show you all of the beauty products that I currently like and am using. I had just finished filming a BoxyCharm video for you guys, and that video will be already up by now, so I'm going to have that link down below and you guys could watch that one. So let's get started. So the first product we're going to dive into is a skincare product, and it's these two right here. It's the Ole Henriksen, I believe it's pronounced, Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser, and this is their Balancing Force Oil Control Toner. So if you have oily skin, you're going to love these. Literally the only thing that ever works on me. And it's a really gentle formula as well. So you guys should give this a try. It's sold at Sephora. The next product I'm going to share with you guys is the Air Beauty Everyday Foundation, Airbrush Foundation. And it's honestly hands down the best foundation in the world. Like, I can't even justify this foundation. I'm in the shade Honey Ginger R6. Literally, you will be airbrushed. I'm telling you, airbrushed when you put this foundation on. So this is something you guys really need to check out. You can get it off their website. Amazon has it as well. The next product is a concealer, and it's the Kylie Jenner Skin Concealer. It doesn't really have a name, just skin concealer. It's as simple as that. And I'm gonna say it now, I think it's better than Shape Tape, honestly. It's a really light formula. It's a little liquidy, but once it dries down, it's beautiful. It covers everything and anything. I want to say it's a medium to full coverage, and it's pretty dewy at first, but once you set it, it's not going anywhere. I currently use the shade Maple, and it's like the perfect match for me if you want to use me as a reference. The next product is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder, and I use shade number 2. And this is a really beautiful powder to set under the eyes. It literally matches perfectly with the Air Beauty foundation. It's just the perfect airbrush match. For eyeshadow, guys, I took apart all of my Kylie eyeshadows, and I bought some of the new singles as well, and I put them in her new magnetic palette. Just look at this. I'm literally obsessed. I was already in love with her palette and palettes, and now I just love it even more. It's to die for. I'm just extra, but you should give some of her palettes a try. I really recommend the Extended Bronze palette. That's what I use almost every single day. And up next for highlight, we're gonna keep it in the family. I really enjoy the KKW Beauty Highlighter palette, and this is palette number 1. And this shade right over here is my current go-to favorite. Like, I just love this shade right over here. If you were in the market for a new highlighter, this palette is a good one. And this palette works well with light to medium skin tones. She does have another palette that's a number 2 palette, and that one is really nice on darker skin tones. And for lashes, duh, anybody that knows me knows I love Lily lashes in the style Miami. Like, I have them on right now. You can just never go wrong. They're such beautiful lashes. They look super good. It's honestly nothing I could really say about these. They're just bomb, and you just need them in your life. For bronzer, I've always enjoyed the Hoola by Benefit. As you can see, it's a perfect cool tone bronzer for contouring. I have it on right now. It's just really beautiful. It's a quick and easy way to contour. You don't have to sit there for an hour trying to blend out a cream, and it's really good if you're in a rush. And another powder that I really like is the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. And I actually like this a lot better than the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, which everybody loves, and I do love that one as well. But this one I just feel like isn't as thick. It's a little more fine grain and just sets beautifully. And they also have 2 more other shades of translucent powder. I think they have a medium, and then they have like a deep. So it's really good for all skin tones as well. I just have the regular one, the lightest one, and it works really well for me. I have it set all over my face. And for blush, I have the Note blush in Desert Rose. I got this in one of the BoxyCharms. I can't really remember which month. It might have been either it was the month before, so the July box. I got this in the July BoxyCharm. It's just a really beautiful color. It comes on it's like a really buildable blush. It's not like a kick to your face where you're just like, oh my god, I put too much. It's just a buildable blush. It's super beautiful and super natural looking. And if you're looking for an eyeliner, this is the one that I like to use. I don't really wear liner that much. This is the Tarteist Double Take eyeliner by Tarte. It's double-sided. This side is a crayon, so you can get your waterline with it, and this side is a felt tip, so you can get a really nice wing with it. It's a super dark liner too, and it stays on pretty good. I believe it's waterproof. I don't want to lie to you guys. I'm not sure. It doesn't say that it's waterproof, but it holds pretty well for me. For a really good primer, I want to talk about the Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. It's a really good primer. I believe it's pretty new. It came out the past couple months, but I've been using it every single day. And it's really good. I've been putting it on my T-zone. If you're oily, like, oil is not your friend, and this is my friend, okay? It's just a super bomb primer. If you're looking for a mattifying primer, this is a good one to get. You can get it at Sephora, which Sephora now has a whole Huda Beauty section, so if you love her products, they have it all. And next, I want to talk about this little beauty blender. It's smaller compared to like a regular size, and it's used for applying blush, but I don't really apply blush with it. I use it to blend out my concealer, and I really like it because it's so small. It's cheaper than a bigger one. It's about like $16, I want to say. I think it's 16 bucks. And it's just so cute. Look at the color. It's just so good. For setting spray, I want to talk about the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This is just a go-to. I'm going to show you guys. It's literally continuous, does not stop. Just keep going. And who doesn't want a setting mist that does that? Because you just have to keep spraying and spraying and spraying. And if you like to put on a lot of setting spray, this right here. And it's actually really good too, not just because of that. It smells really good and it keeps my makeup in place for a long time. And it just gives you a really luminous glow when you put it on after. So I used to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Medium Brown until I started using this. It's the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 4, and I have it on my brows right now. It glides on super creamy, and it also lasts a lot longer than the Brow Wiz. I was going through a Brow Wiz like every month, and it was too much to deal with. And it's not even like, it's just like, imagine going to use your pencil and it's like the last little bit and you're just like, no. And like, you just got it not that long ago. It's just super annoying. So this was just easier and lasts a lot longer, and it's just so creamy. And last but not least, I want to talk about one more product, and it's the Kylie Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Cupcake. And this shade and this gloss is just so bomb. I'm going to show you guys. Actually, I'm going to put it on right now. It's such a good gloss. And I literally never wear gloss at all, and I'm just in love with this one. It's like the perfect pinky nude shade. So if you love gloss, this is going to be a really good one for you. I know all of her glosses are actually really good. All of her lip products are really good. I love her Velvet Matte lipsticks too. If you guys are looking, it's a matte lipstick. It's just not as drying as her matte formula. If you love a matte lipstick but don't want one that's too drying, that's also a really good one. It's what I use all the time. The shade that I use, actually, let me look for it. So the shade I've been using, it's a little mini one. I got it in one of her little collections, and I believe it's a permanent shade now. You can get a bigger size. And this is the Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Birthday Suit. It's such a beautiful nude. Let me swatch it for you guys. So you can see, such a beautiful nude. If you're looking for a really pretty beige nude, this one right here, Birthday Suit Velvet by Kylie Cosmetics. Oh, so this is it for today's video, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys would like to see next, and I will see you guys next time.